Hello my dear students, welcome back to Biology at Priyajit. Have you ever wondered what did the earliest vertebrates look like before jaws even evolved? Today we will explore one of the most primitive and fascinating vertebrate groups, that is Agnatha, or the jawless fishes concept. According to Young 1981, all surviving jawless vertebrates are placed under superclass Agnatha, class Cyclostomata, meaning round mouth organism. Cyclo means round, stoma means mouth. So these include two major groups like Lampreys and Hagfishes. General characteristics of Agnatha. Let's first understand their primitive characteristic features. Their body is eel-like, scaleless and slimy. The jaws are completely absent. Paired fins are absent. Their skeleton is cartilaginous, not bony. Notochord persists throughout their life. The brain is protected by a cartilaginous cranium. Their gills are present in pouches supported by a branchial basket. The nerves are non-myelinated, slow conduction. There are many advanced organs are missing in them, like they have no pancreas, they have no spleen, no genital ducts. So these animals represent a very primitive vertebrate condition. This is the image showing the jawless fish Agnatha. This is hagfish and this is lamprey. Class Cyclostomata. Now focusing on living Agnatha, their body is long, cylindrical, eel-like. They have circular and suctorial mouth, which is a key feature. There are no paired appendages in them. Their skin is found with mucous glands. There is no scales. The tail is difficircle. The digestive system has no true stomach, and the intestine is found with typhlosole. They have 5 to 6 pairs of gill pouches. Their heart is two chambered. There is one auricle and one ventricle. Their blood contains nucleated RBCs. They are poikilothermal, or they are cold-blooded. The reproduction include their fertilization is external. The larval stage present, which is especially in lampreys. So this is the table showing the characteristic features, differences between Myxiniformes and Petromyzontiformes. There are two groups of cyclostomes. Their habitat, Myxiniformes are marine only. Petromyzontiformes are both marine and freshwater. The mouth is by Myxiniform is barbels. There is no funnel. Petromyzontiformes, they have suctorial or buccal funnel. Eyes, they are degenerate. They are well developed. Vertebrate, they are absent. They are rudimentary present. Gill openings, in case of Myxiniforms, gill opening is variable. Petromyzontiforms, they have always 7 pairs. Their lifestyle, they are scavenger. They are often parasitic. Classification of Agnatha. After Young 1981, Agnatha is divided into Ostracodermi, which is extinct. They were armored jawless fishes. Their body is covered with heavy bony plates. This is the image of Agnatha of Ostracodermi, extinct Agnatha. There are no living representatives are there. Cyclostomata, they are extant. They are living jawless vertebrates. Their circular mouth with horny teeth. They have single median nostril and cartilaginous skeleton. Ordered Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata can be divided into two major groups. Order 1 is Myxiniformes or hagfishes. General features, they are exclusively marine deep sea scavengers. Their body slimy with numerous mucous glands. Their mouth with barbels. There is no buccal funnel. Their keratinous teeth on rasping tongue. Their eyes are degenerate. There is no vertebrae at all. The presence of accessory heart. Suborder of Myxiniformes, Myxinoidei, their gill openings are separate. Fewer gill pouches are there. Examples include Myxin, uh, Eptatretinoidei. The gill openings fuse into common duct. More gill pouches are there, up to 14. Example includes Eptatretas. Petromyzontiformes or lampreys. General features are found in freshwater and marine environments. They are bony anadromous. Mouth forms a suctorial buccal funnel. They have well developed eyes, 7 pairs of gill slits. They are adults. Often they are ectoparasitic. They have larva, which is amosity larva. They are filter feeding. Suborders of Petromyzontiformes, Petromyzontidae. They are mostly northern hemisphere. The well developed parasitic forms, example Petromyzon or lamprey. Geotrioidei, they are found in southern hemisphere. The large bodied anadromous, example Geotria australis. Acha, then Mordacioidei, they are weakly parasitic or non-parasitic. The less developed buccal funnel, example includes Mordacia mordax. This is the image showing the Petromyzontiformes. Evolutionary significance. Why are Agnatha important? They represent the most primitive vertebrates. They show transition from protochordates to vertebrates. They help us understand the evolution of jaws, paired fins and advanced organ system. In simple words, Anathas are the living fossil of vertebrate evolution. So conclusion, we can conclude that Agnatha are jawless primitive vertebrates. According to Young 1981, all living forms belong to Cyclostomata. They include Hagfishes or Myxiniformes and Lampreys or Petromyzontiformes. They classified further into distinct suborders. So, despite their simplicity, living forms like Hagfishes and Lampreys provide crucial insights into vertebrate evolution. Understanding Agnatha help us trace the origin of jaws and the gradual advancement of higher vertebrates. If you found this class helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Biology at Priyajit for more such concepts made easy. Thank you.